Form submissions are stored in the Data Entries area of the web portal. 3 views are provided to present the data in different ways. Feed view displays all incoming submissions, with the latest at the top. By default, all screens and users are shown. You can filter the submissions by form, users, and date range. Each row offers shortcuts to help manage your data. Table view presents a drop-down to select a form and view its collected submissions. The data is displayed in table format. Each column represents a field in the form. Scroll to the right to view the data for each row. Note that the data is stored by version. Use the drop-down to switch to the desired version context. Hover over an entry to view the status of associated media files. Use the icons on the right to view the data entry and logs. The table can also be filtered by date. Map view also presents a drop-down to select a form to view its collected submissions. This view uses pins to indicate the location of the form submission. Click a pin to view the data captured by the submission. The filters are similar to the table view. Options include version, the user that submitted the form, and date ranges.